So for primer, I'm going to be using this Evian Natural Mineral Water, this right here, and I actually really like this. It actually makes my skin feel really fresh. It says it moisturizes, refreshes, and tones your skin, which it actually does. I actually feel it in my skin whenever I apply this, so I'm just going to spray this all over my face. I know they sell it at Sephora. I've seen it before. For foundation, I'm going to be using this one by Nars right here. This one is one of my favorite foundations ever, and I actually need a new one because it's almost empty. And I usually do 2 pumps of foundation, and that's enough. I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. Thursday, I actually went to a BoxyCharm event. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I did post it about it. So if you don't know, I did go. It was on a Thursday, actually. I did mention that, I think. But it was really fun. I had so much fun. At first, I was like, oh, I don't know, I should go because, you know, I was feeling a little bit nervous at first. Hold on, I'm trying to blend this out because I don't like it when it dries. But I did ended up going, and it was really fun. I got a little bit lit, you know. I'm going to put some videos right here somewhere on the screen so you guys could see how fun it was. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys totally should go follow me because I post everything on there. I'm going to apply a little bit of lip balm. I'm just applying a little bit of concealer under my eyes. By the way, this one is by Colourpop, and I'm in the color medium 26. I also got a new puppy, and she's so pretty. Like, I can't get over how beautiful she is. Her name is Hazel, and I got her like 2 weeks ago. I think it's been like 2 weeks, and I'll show you guys her in a little bit. She's downstairs. I can't wait for you guys to see her. Now that I finished blending my concealer, I'm going to be baking. I feel like the lighting keeps changing. Also, what do you guys think about this new background? I wanted to switch it up because I kind of got tired of the other background. So let me know how you feel about it. This is the bronzer I'm going to be using today to bronze my face, and it's really pretty. I actually already used it. I love covering my face with blush. You know, the vibes. I also apply a little bit of blush on the tip of my nose. I just think it looks so cute. I'm going going to clean everything up with some translucent powder. That way everything will look nice and sharp and clean, of course. Alright, so while that sits for a few seconds, I'm going to be applying highlight. I'm going to use this one by Mercier. And it looks like this. Isn't it so pretty? This one is called Addiction. Highlighter is an addiction, so it goes, you know. It's not as blinding as other highlighters, but it's still cute. And I still like it because if you build it up, it actually makes it really intense. Back to my Morphe 3503 palette, this one right here, to apply those two eyeshadows I used on my eyes on my lower lash line. So I just ended up applying the orange eyeshadow, not the lighter one, but the one I applied on my eyelid. I did apply it on my lower lash line. Hey Hazel, you want to say hi? Everybody, me Hazel. This is my Shih Tzu puppy. Hey, look at the camera. Oh my god, you guys can't even see her eyes because she's so fluffy. Huh, you're so fluffy? Isn't it? She's so pretty though. Like, I'm so hey, no bite. I'm so obsessed with her and I just love her so much. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to put her down because she's being a little crazy right now. And I need to finish up this makeup, so hey, come on. I'm going to be using this lip kit by Kylie and it's in the color Exposed. So I'm just going to be applying lipstick right now. Love this color. It's everything. So I'm pretty much done. I'm just going to set my makeup using the Urban Decay Nighter setting spray. Alright, so I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and also let me know in the comment section what other videos you guys want me to do. If you guys want me to do Halloween looks, definitely let me know down below because it's literally like around the corner. So yeah, definitely let me know and give me some ideas, and that way I could, you know, get an idea of what I want to do. So also make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be listed down below. So that is pretty much it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.